Hey all, a warm welcome to Abode Diaries. The kitchen is my most favorite place at home. And why shouldn't be? After all, kitchen is the heart of home. I wonder, why kitchen only? Why not bedroom? Why not washroom? Why not living room? So I got the answer that actually these all are my favorite. However, the kitchen is my most favorite place. Maybe because we spend a lot of time in kitchen, right? Perhaps the kitchen is the source of our food, or maybe because it has a variety of pretty items of different shapes and size, different materials, different colors in it, and with different functionality too. Unlike the bedroom, which has a bed, TV, some pillows, comforter, unlike living room, which has some decor pieces, unlike the washroom, which has some good bathe essentials. So this is why I think the kitchen is my most favorite place at home. An honest confession that I am obsessed with the kitchen. I love to decorate my kitchen as well as make it functional. I remember the day I had got my first kitchen. I had started beautifying it from that very day and would spend a lot of time standing in the kitchen thinking about what else to buy, how to organize, clean, decorate, cook healthy meal, and so many other things. At that time, I used to think that only I am so crazy about the kitchen because YouTube or social media was not a rage at that time. But now, thanks to the social media that I got to know about people like me. Oh god, I'm so relieved that I am not the only crazy one about kitchen. Every item in kitchen has a story of its own and has a memory attached to it. I want my kitchen to look beautiful and functional, so I decided to keep limited number of items on the countertop which are very basic so that I can get a good space for food prepping. Here I am placing this wooden box to keep my tea and milk essentials like tea, cocoa powder, and jaggery powder. Also, I keep this rolling pin and rolling board standing right here. This marble stone and wood combination is giving such an elegant look to the place. This rolling board I haven't purchased. Actually, I have stolen it from my mother-in-law's kitchen. She has got the new one then, but I like this old one only. I am keeping this ghee pot and olive oil pot to bake parathas in this tray for daily cooking. To enhance the beauty, I am also keeping a little vase here. Keeping some cutlery and knives on one corner of countertop is very convenient for cooking and eating both. I prefer to use this water mug or lota for my daily cooking, as this one I've got from my papa's kitchen. Yes, that's mainly my papa's kitchen, not mama's kitchen. I'm also adding an earthy touch to this space by putting some wooden spatulas in this jug. Steel lota is light in weight and being made of stainless steel is very convenient to use. I also keep chai masala, garam masala, salt, asafoetida, and chana dal handy on the kitchen countertop. To make my kitchen look a little fancy, I like to keep my oil bottles in this cute basket on the countertop. As there is no drawer, so I have hung this caddy to the upper cabinet to keep my spice box and paper napkin. This way it becomes more convenient while cooking. Flowers and plants elevate the beauty and coziness of any space to the next level. So I am putting these small artificial plants on top of the chimney, which was an empty place. Now I am laying a small rug here so that my kitchen looks a little more attractive and cozy. Clean and spacious countertop makes our cooking very fast and easy. Even if the kitchen is not large, it's okay, but it should be clean. It's a nice feeling. We shall be chit-chatting more about kitchen stories in our Abode Diaries in upcoming videos. Catch you all very soon. Bye.